All right, for this week, I had someone that commented on a couple of my videos, and I thought this is a good topic to kind of talk about for Is It True? So their question was on dealer installed options. So when you're ordering a vehicle, some of the options are put on at the factory installed options. Some of them are some things that are available. You order it with your vehicle, and it's on the window sticker, and they're called dealer installed option, which means that they ship the part to the dealer, and the dealership installs it for you at a set price. So you know what that price is going to be. So that's why it's not an aftermarket ad. So those are dealer installed options. So this person had a question because their dealer said they noticed in the 24 model year Bronco that is now, it is a dealer installed option for the hitch. It's no longer a factory hitch install. And I said, that is correct. They are pre-wiring the Bronco now on every Bronco. And so basically the dealer installs the hitch and the wiring harness for the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. And so it is a set cost of $500, and that's what it is. And they said, my dealership said it's $500 plus the install fee. And I said, no. No. Ford reimburses them back what Ford thinks they deserve for fixing that, whether it's right or not. And usually it does not cover the cost of what labor costs, because every dealer has a different labor cost. That is what they get. They are not to charge the customer anything. He also asked on the tailgate table, which is now a dealer installed option for the Bronco in some configurations. And I said, no, any dealer installed option that shows up on your window sticker with on there with a cost for a dealer installed option, they are not to charge you any more than that. They are done. Ford is saying they already are taking care of the dealer. The dealer should not be charging for any install. The only time that a dealer would charge an install fee is if there's an aftermarket thing they're going to add that is not a factory that's on their window sticker or on their order when they order the vehicle. So we're talking about maybe LED lights or to the Bronco or something like that. So now this does bring up, is that fair to dealers? I know that in some situations, I know some of those things it costs more than that to put them on, at least at the beginning, until they learn a quicker way of putting them on. Now the hitches are probably close. I mean, the hitch itself, what's it cost? Probably $100. The wiring harness, maybe $100. So you probably talking a couple hundred. So $300. How long does it take to mount it? If the wiring's already there and they can just plug it in and it's close and they don't have to run the wiring up to the battery, then probably it's pretty close.
Yeah.
But I know on some things, like on the Maverick, those LED bed lights that they had in 22, those were taking like 6 to 8 hours to install, and they were not giving the dealers enough money for that. So, but I know on some of those things, Tony has said they did not get enough reimbursement for. But we don't have a say in that, and we're seeing more of that now. So Ford is saying, hey, these are things we want to be able to provide, but now we cannot. We want to build the vehicles faster and make it smoother at the factory. So we're going to start having the dealership install those, but we're going to charge our price, which is a benefit to the customer. No problem with that, because the customer is going to pay a lot less that way. But